What up, YouTube? It's your man, Beefy Big Guns, and we out here. Breathe it in. Whoa, it rained last night, like a lot. And so while I'll be celebrating in the garden later, right now, 5:30 a.m. late middle part of June, late middle June, trout time. And I'm out on the river already. I think I'm gonna smash them today. So I wanted to get an intro filmed because my main goal is to get some decent footage of me fishing today. Beautiful environment. After the rain stopped, it's very nice out. And I'm just happy to be out here this morning. But that happened literally 30 seconds after I told you that I thought I was going to smash them today. The fish is sitting right in the middle of the river. Water came up after a rain. We're pitching bait again. It's really not complicated, but it has really good results. And that is meat pounds. This thing absolutely has it wolfed. They're absolutely out here just smashing bait. And that is the start we're going for right there. That is probably about a 14 or 15 inch brown, and I just couldn't be more excited. What action? Alright. Little brown trout. I actually thought it was bigger than that, so I had Ryan record. I popped it right out of the water. I can't even hold on to this thing. It's so live yet. Heading back.
That's about the one that
Get out of there. All right, YouTube.
It's on.
Second one of the day. Well, third fish. Second legal fish. They are coming to life. It's been slow for the last hour, at least. And this one, we just got 2 bites really fast. So I think that they're kind of coming out now as the day's getting a little brighter. This is about an 11 incher. Still obviously super vibrant. And I'm gonna dispatch this thing, and that's, man, these things are alive right now. Holy cow, I can't even hold them. Wow, I can't even hold them. Little brown trout. Just sitting right out in the middle of the river again, and that's about an 11 incher. That is the perfect size for throwing on the grill and getting it done like that. So 2 out of 3 for the day. Oh yes, can't wait for another one. You gotta be up. Thanks, buddy. That's a limit for me. Another one that's got it deep, but I think I got all of that on camera. I'll be happy to see if I got the hook set and everything on there, but this is the game. It's bait fishing. Water's up on account of it raining last night for the first time in a long time, and I knew I could get out here and beat them up. I knew I could come out here and beat them up this morning. Coach joined me. Turning out to be a glorious day. This is my limit. I couldn't be more excited. I'll come up and show it up in the camera here in a second, but this is the type of moment to soak in. It's awesome out here. I love it. This is another stacked trout. Couldn't be more proud to take it home. I'm thrilled. So happy with today, this morning. We were actually out here a little early. Sounds crazy, but when there's fresh sediment in the water and things are a little harder to see for the fish, I think, it's when things are a little harder for the fish to see, it was challenging for them early on. And I did catch one early that I didn't get on camera, and I believe I have footage of that. But it really picked up for me in the last 15 minutes here. Basically, almost every time my bait's in the water right now, I'm catching fish. They're still way out in the open, but what a great end to my day. This one's absolutely got it wolfed again, so a thrilling end for my day. So there's the three all put together at the end. I am just thrilled that I came out this morning and was able to put together these fish. That right there is trout cakes for 3 meals for the family and I. So yeah, trout, yes. Bugs are getting bad. I'm just happy it rained. Honestly, I'm willing to deal with the bugs. I'm just happy it rained. But we have a really, really awesome state to just figure out where your little spots are and go out and get stuff. This is no different. Dane County, Wisconsin. Coach has a good one on. Oh baby, that's a really nice one, Rye. Fish of the day. Yeehaw! Look at it, that hook is just gone. That thing was only coming off if it broke the line.
Look at how long it is.
It's long, dude. Is that your PB trout?
Probably.
I got a good measuring device.
The hook broke off. I got a tape measure too.
Oh yeah, man.
Oh, that was fun.
You killed it, Coach. Where was it sitting, right underneath that bush?
Yeah, on the side of the bush.
Probably right about there. I caught that last fish, my last one of the day, right about here. I said, Coach, you got all of this pool to fish here yet. Homeboy steps in there. Fish of the day from my man's. That was exciting. He goes, hey, good one on. Your man goes over and checks it out. Got some good footage out of that. Awesome. There, that's Coach's fish still flopping. I won't have any part in eating Coach's fish, but he's been asking to learn these Cajun trout cakes himself. He's got the ammo. He's got the ammo for that now. That clip is full, baby. He's got a night's worth of trout cakes just on that one fish for his wife and himself. So I love being out here when it's coming alive. Oh, I love it when it's because the bugs are coming out. Whatever, the fish are coming out right now, and we are smushing them. We moved all over this river for an hour trying to figure it out, and all that it took was that sun coming up and starting to get some sunlight down and around everything, and in and around everything, and it's happening. So we got a lot going on right now. This is rad. But I'm limited out for the day, so these 3, 1, 2, 3, that's me. And I couldn't be happier with my haul. I think Coach could go out and have some more smushy poos here and get himself a big limit. But we'll try to catch some of that footage if we can. But Cajun trout cakes incoming. We out here.